Hi everybody, today we're going to be using the Ninja Foodi Smart XL. I call it the Ninja Foodi One Lid because it's just easier for me. We're going to be doing steam crisp potatoes. So we're going to be using these potatoes. These are the little yellow potatoes, like baby potatoes. Your ingredients are, I think this is like 1 to 2 pounds of the potatoes. You're going to need salt and pepper. I'm going to be using rosemary and thyme and a little avocado oil. And what I'm going to do is just cut these in half and put them in the bowl. To this, I'm just going to take some of this avocado, spray. You can pour it in or just spray. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. We're just going to eyeball all this. And some pepper. I'm going to add some salt. Rosemary, I'm just going to break this up in my fingers. It's probably like half a teaspoon of the rosemary. There. And then thyme, I'm probably going to add probably like a teaspoon of the thyme. Once again, just crumble it between your fingers as you're putting it on the potatoes. And you can just use your hands. I'm just going to use this spatula just to mix everything up. You can use a little bit more oil here. And you can add as little or as much oil as you want. That's up to you. And that's all set. So to this, you want to make sure the ceramic bowl is in and also the air fryer tray. We're going to go ahead and add half a cup of water and those potatoes. And go ahead and close the lid. Go ahead and turn on your Ninja Foodi One Lid. It's on steam crisp already. I am going to increase the temp. Because we're following the recipe, actually it's right out of the book. So 450, and it says 23 minutes. Whoops. There we go. And you're going to hit start. So right now it's going to come up to pre-steam, and then it's going to start steaming, and then it's going to air crisp. And then probably, I'm going to check it, probably like with, I don't know, half the cooking time. We're going to check the potatoes and just toss them just a bit. So we have 12 minutes left on the clock. I just wanted to pop the top just to see what these look like. So far, they're looking great. All right, we got 12 more minutes, but I'm actually going to check them because they're browning up quite nice. I'm going to check them probably, I don't know, 5-6 minutes just to see how they are. All right, so we have 6 minutes left on the clock. I just wanted to check them because they look like they're almost done here. I'm going to pull one just to see. Taste tested that one. These potatoes are done. So what I'm going to do, we have 4 minutes left on the clock. So I'm going to say they probably, 4 minutes and 5 seconds. I would say they probably cook in 20 minutes. These potatoes are done. So I'm going to just pop the top. And I did notice it needed a ton more salt. So since I'm here, I'm just going to put some salt on the potatoes. Stir them. All right. Potatoes are done. Look at this. I'm going to do that taste test. Here it is. Right here. Yeah, good. Yeah. Definitely needed the more salt. Do I notice a difference between air frying and air crisping? I think the centers have more of a baked potato consistency with air crisping instead of air frying. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me. Or the potato. They may be a bit moister by air crisping instead of just air frying, but either way, I would definitely do it. It takes about, steam crisping will take a little bit more time because it has to come up to steam, the water in the bottom. But they look the same. They're really good. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notifications button and don't forget to subscribe. And see you on the next one.